Hey, if you're thinking of building a wood railing, one of the things I'd really like to explain to you is how the shadow rail connector works. You know, when you connect 2x4s to 4x4s, typically what we see is people toenailing things. We have big bulky brackets. I'd like to show you how you can build like a master craftsman, and that means hiding everything. All the screws are contained within this little connector, which is pretty amazing. Let's see how it works here. This is a dovetail. Two parts here that are very precisely built on our world-class industrial injection mold machines. And this is a polycarbonate material, so very, very durable plastic. And these parts mate together and they gradually get tighter and tighter and tighter. The screws are into the post here and into the rail here and into the post here. So by the time you put this together, this locks down and there's no hint of how this works. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned master craftsman or whether you're a weekend do-it-yourselfer. You can build just like this. Let's take a look at how this actually works. So as I mentioned, we have a female part, we have the male part. We take the male and we align it against the post. Now, if we take a look here, there are little, what I call them, gripping cones. I don't know what you want to call them, but the point is that they stick out and they intentionally impress into the wood. And the reason why that is will become obvious in a second. But let's just show what we do here. We take that, align it to the correct height, and we take a hammer. I'm going to turn this horizontal to actually make it happen here. And we tap this in like so, very lightly. And what happens here is it leaves an impression. Now, the impression there means that when we actually go to install this, we've got an exact fit. And so that when we screw these screws in, there's no chance that the screw will wander and pull it offline. Because the one thing that is required to make this whole system work is that the position of these parts does have to be precise, all four. And it's easy to do if you follow this particular technique. And then this screws on to the end of the 2x4 and down it goes and you end up with that kind of a look. So that's what it is. It comes with, here's the pack right here. One of these does an entire 2x4, so each section of railing would require two of these. If you want to build a wood railing that looks amazing, be sure to check out the shadow rail and pick some up, put them in your cart. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.